I am Katie Boswell. I am a first-year student at Hollins University. The major I believe I want to go into is sociology.
I'm Nora Williams. I'm a first year at Hollins. I'm going into Spanish and religion.
I'm Liana King, and I'm a freshman, class of 2017. Yeah, I want to double major with dance and psychology.
My goal is to be a domestic social worker with children.
But I've always wanted to work with social justice or criminal justice kind of things.
Here at the Women and Children Center, they help women and children get back on their feet.
And I've always been one to do charity work, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity because I did also get to see the psychology side of things. I'm not really sure where I want to focus in psychology yet. I'm leaning towards more like social work stuff, so this is like really a big help.
We've been giving out a survey to every single person staying in the Women and Children Center, whether they've been homeless before, whether they've been in the rescue mission before, have they been a victim of domestic violence before, and where they would be if the rescue mission was not here.
I don't think I ever fully understood what the word homeless meant. I learned that a lot of them had jobs and a lot of them had kids.
But being here, it gives you a really, really great opportunity to like put other people first, help them, and then you can help yourself.
This organization is very faith-based. I really like the ability or the freedom to express your faith while you work. So I think I'm going to try some type of missionary work after this.
It's like given me a second to like realize like what I want to do, take a step back and like look at the big picture. What do I really want to do and what do I need to do, and make sure that it's like the same thing.